a TG.
And shine here with another big bang. You,
Yeah, you, yeah, you.
I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind,
So you know say a TG
And shine
and
and
we
it's
era
again with another big bang
A
before my
birthday.
birthday.
Shake the booty that you don't got. Shake the
Woo,
bottom
the
where
one
you
that
don't
I
have.
don't got.
Right there. So we are cut out now,
On the
people.
white line, on the white line.
Risk we take, risk. Right here, so watch it. See that?
We're right in the middle of the road, on the airport road. Him just come back, guys.
You
Are
don't know it
ready?
go. Day before the birthday.
I didn't know this is like
What, the rain?
the rain and you see
Watch the hole, yeah?
all along. Can say should I just take my picture them from Wednesday when my day off? I'm gonna say no, the Sunday that go on good for a good couple of days. And now, right when me finally ready, cause wake up this morning and it did cloudy, but then the rain did stop again. I mean the sun did come back out. And then now all of a sudden, when my finally ready, I'm going to do what I do. Rain feel like it needs to fall. What does that look like now? Go fall tomorrow.
Rain or shine.
But I
The day must go on.
heard that it will.
So, yeah, tell the people them say, no, we are dealing with now.
Right now, I'm gonna pick up my kid, and then we're going to try to salvage what I can, take some pictures.
Yeah, people, so when you reach the cake spot, you know,
I'll show you guys the cake.
video it.
Let me know.
Yeah, I can see. No, it's a video for the birthday, it's a continuous.
Give this other one big vlog.
Yeah, one big one, yeah. You see it, people. And you don't know, it's a Shani goes to talk right now, you see me?
Shani cut my backside. Who is Shani cut?
Yeah. So guys, later you see me here. Big up. Jaja. Hot.
Behind the scenes,
I blow up a balloon.
of blowing up balloons for our photo.
Her photo shoot. Me not taking a picture, guys. Channel. Oh man, do them something, them man. Jaja. I swear no good. Females. And the ratings high.
On them.
Yeah, black one too?
Yeah.
Where?
What is some?
A 2 gold me just put up in them.
This is a cake topper. This one needed. That's a cake topper.
Just can't drop a ground. Beautiful.
My black, see them beside it.
How much black balloon you blow?
I put them on because I think I'm more balloon than this.
Shani, you cannot even hold so much balloon in your hand. So,
Okay, I think that's good enough. Put it right so. Alright, so 25. Alright, you want it? I should let you really blow all of them.
are you,
On
help me
your
help
own.
you.
Just don't want it bust for me.
That's my issue. Yeah, guys, so right now, on the shoot, on the scene for the shoot. If you know out here, you know where we at.
time of fear. Let's add blow 2 more black and that's it.
Yeah. No one ever can put them up on inside.
No, you can't. Them are gonna burst. And we not no more.
So you need to hurry up.
I am doing that. This can't fit my foot still.
So babes, you pull up or something?
No, pull it because it's hard for lock.
Yeah, no, I never ever help you lock it though.
It's very hard for lock.
No, it's easy. Trust me, I've been through a lot of heels to lock for ladies. I know it.
For easy I lock.
Enough woman heels, my lock.
That's it.
The lame as fuck.
Ooh. Oh, you're not for me.
There's a sash.
Yeah.
Here.
Nothing like that artist there.
Pass your phone.
Which one are you two?
A two you blow?
This I first.
Oh, that's it, yo. I'm
Right? Are you for telling me now I'm not see? It's a look wrong.
Your name is her, bro?
No.
Yes. You know that, though?
Just like you.
You're not miserable like me, no time.
Just drag this. That's all I need you for do.
Drag what?
This. Just drag it. Yeah. Drag it a little bit more. Ah.
That's like what it?
Tight. Double tight.
Shanique, listen to me. Don't get from me.
Yeah,
Alright.
that good. Oh, this probably need a next one. This look dead.
It don't look dead. Fix your face and stop that. But it look dead.
Look on it.
So
You
is
want
it?
one more balloon. Don't do this to me, God.
Shanique, move faster, babes. Faster if you move, babes.
May I try?
One more balloon here, that boy want?
Yeah.
You never need one more balloon.
It look too dead.
You gotta bust them.
Them nah boss.
Oh boy, babes. I don't like it, dirty style, more. I swear.
Come, tight.
Taxi.
Just drag it. Just drag your side. Don't hold it no more. Don't tie it no more. Sorry, come on. I want this bus for me.
Want the bus for you? Why you try rush now?
Because you say hurry up.
No.
Alright, do them two here. Alright, what about you?
Do it the time.
I'm afraid of the
Afraid of balloon? You mad? I'm afraid of you.
Afraid of balloon.
I'm afraid of you. They are scared. No, seriously. I just don't know what to do them tight something. It's not my thing. What? I just know my thing.
It bursts? It's hot for me?
No.
Okay, where's so much here go?
That man say. On the nation. Yeah. Should we tell them that the police are out there? Nah, they'll figure it out.
That's so good? Or you want it? Which part? The background with the sun. Sit. And you stay there, sir.
Yeah, you.
You get it?
Hold on, I check something. I don't like how your face fuzzy or something. Face have a fuzzy look. You see it? Or sweaty or sweat. Because of the sweat. Let's say in a road photo. But them know about that.
Me?
Wait now.
Can I come?
Yeah, come on now.
You catch it?
Yeah, make it some.
Let me see that. I love that. That one there. This. Nice.
In the road like
Picture on the sash straight. Ready?
Hold on.
Before that carry the
So come now. Yeah, take long. Ready? Come out.
Alright, I think we're good. So when that part to just hot too. May I release the balloons? Take a picture and release the balloons. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Catch them before they cause an accident.
Yeah, people, so that's just the end of the shoot. Right now, don't know tomorrow Sean's birthday. Yeah, so out here. Right there, don't. Say nothing to people then.
Guys, it's been awesome. I got so many great pictures. And today I feel like I'm a birthday. I don't know my birthday yet. So, you know, just feeling really, really good. You can see me? You see me I sweat, the makeup I wash off, well, melt off. But that's the price you gotta pay to get great pictures. I'm big up to my photographer. I'm a one. I'm everything. I'm a backbone. Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't know how it go everybody, so we're out here. Yeah, from the airport road I get some bite. And we also decide to shoot. We don't know if we see what go on. All the mosquito kill we.
So
guys, this is Nadia. No food yet. Everybody get them food.
right here.
Everybody get them food. Glasses are breaking. They're breaking the glasses. So, talk to people them. Tell them all go on.
Right. My birthday is almost over, but it was fun while it lasted. I'm really
here, you know? Exit what? 21? How old are you? 21?
25.
We're out here. Tune in back. Just about all our vibe. We're out. So, guys, this is the end of the night.
Yes, man. Hi guys. So I enjoyed my birthday. It was thebomb.com. Big up to Nadia. She's a real one. And my cousin Shamar. You guys saw him in the vlog.
Real youth.
Yeah. Very, if I don't realize my circle very small, that's backside. So Nadia, come back here.
Nadia, with their gift. Nadia, hello.
Hi.
This is the end of the vlog. We need to see your face.
Hi guys.
Bombard.
Ooh, that's Verdi, right?
Left the liquor there.
That's Verdi.
Yeah.
Right, Nadia?
Yes, it is.
Just by the shape of the bottle. That's good. It's a good drink.
This can't pull.
Why can't pull?
Because it looks so like stuff you have to put it to for something for a special
Happy
occasion.
birthday, Shanique. I love you. I hope you had a good time.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.
Take care. We'll pass curfew now. So, at the grace of God, I carry over now. No police now stop it. So,
May take 7 to reach over.
we're out, guys, isn't it? Later. Like a kangaroo.
We're out.